Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In this class, we are going to look at conductivity or specific conductance. So, solution. Now, we use something like this to denote it, which is equal to 1 over what? Resistivity. And recall from our previous class that resistivity is equal to R A over what? Length. In other words, this conductivity is equal to 1 over R A over what? L. So what do we do? We are going to solve this. Now let's look at for resistivity, which is what? That the R. This is what? R A over L. It's the same thing as saying V over I multiplied by A over 1 all over L. This will give us the same thing as well. VA over what? I L. Now let's go. This V itself, V is what? Where V is equal to work done over charge. Okay. Where V is equal to what? Work done over charge. V equals to work done over charge. Now we have this as this is equal to W over Q I L A. So now let's look at this. Resistivity is equal to, now what do we have? W is work done, which is what? Force multiplied by D times A over what? Q I what? L. Now this is, we find the dimension of this. After solving this row, now we now substitute it here. This will give us what? Force is what? MA. MA multiplied by distance. Multiplied by what? The area all over what? Dimension of charge into dimension of what? I L. Close it. Okay. From this now we have that mad, this row is equal to m into what? Into acceleration, which is L raised to power t minus 2 multiplied by what? L multiplied by what? Area, which is L raised to power 2. Close it. Okay, all over what? Q is what? IT. Close it. Multiply by what? I what? L. Close it. So resistivity is equal to what? M. L times L, L2. L2 times L2 give us L 4 T raised to power minus 2. Close it into what? I times I will give us I squared multiply by T multiply by L. Okay, close it. So resistivity is equal to I is in ampere, which is now m raised to power 1, L raised to power 4, T raised to power minus 2, that the dimension on into what? A raised to power square, which is ampere. I is for ampere, T, capital T, and what? L. Close it. Okay. Mathematically, if you want to solve this L, can cancel this L, remember what? 3. So we now have that resistivity is equal to m raised to power 1, L raised to power 3 after this one have cancelled remainder or 3 into what T raised to power minus 2 or what the dimension over the dimension of what A raised to power 2 T raised to power what 1. Take the dimension. Okay, this is equal to M raised to power T. Okay, let's go. This row is equal to M raised to power 1 multiplied by L raised to power 3 multiplied by T raised to power minus 2 multiplied by T. This T will climb up to the what minus 1. T raised to power minus 1 multiplied by A raised to power 2 will climb up to the what A minus what raised to power minus 2. Now what do we have? Finally we have that the row is defined as what? M raised to power 1, L raised to power 3, T raised to power minus 3, L raised to power what? Minus 2. So that is how to calculate this. So finally this is our row. But the specific conductance or conductivity, hence conductivity is equal to 1 over rho, where rho is equal to M L raised to power 3, T raised to power minus 3, A raised to power minus 2. Okay, we now substitute. If we substitute rho, conductivity is equal to 1 over what? M raised to power 1, L raised to power 3, T raised to power minus 3, A raised to power minus 2. Now having done that, finally our conductivity rho conductivity is equal to, now M will climb up, which is what? M raised to power minus 1. M raised to power 3 will climb up, which will give us L raised to power minus 3. T raised to power minus 3 will climb up, which will give us 3 raised to power 3, because it's minus. When it climb up, it will be what? Plus. Now A raised to power minus 2 will climb up to give us what? A raised to power what? 2. So that is our dimension. This is the dimension of what we call conductivity or specific conductance, and that is how to get it. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatis Online Class, and follow me on Facebook, Prismatis Online Class. Like, share, and comment. Bye.